back to my channel. My name is Janine Mansour. If you are new, please subscribe, like, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all my new videos. Today I'm going to be looking at like old slimes, and I'm with my little brother. Yeah. And I have a special guest today. Her name is Ruby. She's my cousin. Come in.
Cheeto was so funny.
This is Ruby. She's my cousin. She came to come to my house and do stuff. But yeah, what are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? That is your question for the day, everyone. So let's get right on to this video. All right, go.
Number one.
Yes. Number one. Just so you know, this says like crystal clay on it. I just put random slime that I either made or bought in this container. It is not really good. Here's the first one. It's pink. Go here, take half.
You want a piece?
No.
Too bad. Bro, get a piece.
Okay.
Have that.
It's good. It's actually.
It's big?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's actually good. What do you rate this one?
Like 7, probably 6.
I rate it at probably a
Please?
7, like 0.5.
It's big? Mine!
Okay, next one, Pia.
Number 2.
Here it is. This one has like some fill beads in it, and this was a mix
It was?
of 2 slime, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Here it is. It might be actually sticky. Okay, I don't want to take this one out because it's like, this one is kind of sticky, guys. But
Yeah. I'm an idiot.
here you go.
No, I'll leave it there for
What are you gonna rate this slime?
I give it a 4.
5.
Cheeto, could you give me that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Next one.
Okay.
Thank
This
you, Cheeto.
one-
High five.
This one I think was like a florp mixed with like another slime, like foam beads.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh.
This one smells like blueberry.
It does.
It's not the best though.
You want to smell it? Dude, get that off. You.
Okay, what do you rate this one, Pia?
I'll give that a 6.
A 6. I'll give
Should I
it
give you
maybe a
that one?
6.5.
Thank you.
This one was 3 mixed slimes, 1 melted, and I mixed it like one of my slimes
Do you want
melted,
to roll up your sleeves, Juju?
so I mixed it with another
Oh my
one.
gosh.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. It got better. But it's a horrible color. You know that, right?
Fill it with more. I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad. It got way better.
Yeah, I like the color.
Yeah.
It's like a nice pink.
You mean purple?
Oh, purple. I don't know
Cheeto, could
my
you give me
color.
that one?
Here it is, guys. If
No, not that one, not that. This
Kind of
one.
looks like brown there.
Thank you. High five. Okay, now up to
Give
the
me the lid, okay.
Guava Toys Snow Cone Slime.
His old name was Guava Juice. I don't know why. This one smells really good.
Has fish bowls in it.
Like fishbowl beads, yeah. My mom said we're going out together today.
Yeah, we're going out to eat today, and then tomorrow you're going to my house for Thanksgiving.
We've been hanging out with each other like the whole weekend.
Yeah, seriously. Cheeto, look. Smell it.
It smells good, but it's not like the best. It's kind of ripped.
Mm.
I wonder if he made this.
Can you give me that
What
one?
do you rate this one, Pia?
I'll give that a 6 or a 5.
I give it a
High
6.5. Oh, this one?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Get
Español?
out.
We need some markers.
What?
We need markers.
For her snow cone.
Open this.
Okay, so it's Glow Dough Rainbow. She just put it in this container.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
So,
Red.
wait, Juju, you ruined it for her?
No, we need brown.
It's very,
We need brown.
it's like,
Brown?
has many
We need
Um,
brown too. Just brown. Yeah.
brown snowman.
Chia, play with it.
Yeah, I am. So,
What do you rate that one?
I would rate this about like a 7.
Mom, I got
No,
7.
it's sticky, Cheeto. It's sticky.
It is?
No, it's not.
Okay, so start
Cheeto,
taking
can
it.
you give me that green one?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. Sit right here with me.
I rate this like a 9.
Next one is oddly satisfying neon squishy like slime. We mixed glitter with it to make it look more unique.
I mixed another slime with it that has foam beads. That's why. This is the same slime as this sticky one.
Oh, that's the one.
Yeah.
Cheeto, can you pass me the next one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the same brand, but
And
with
then I also added glitter.
glitter to
It's
it?
like foil, like.
yeah, same brand though.
Yeah.
This one is
High five.
Boo.
Woo!
Boo.
Is it sticky? Should we grab the thing?
No.
It was fun.
Whoa.
Okay, Cheeto, can you pass?
What do you rate this one?
I'll give it about 8, 9.
I give it a 9.
Cheeto, pass me the next one, please.
We haven't had any.
Thank
10
you.
yet.
Thank you.
We have
The next
5
one?
more slimes.
The next one is the same exact brand,
But
but it's a blue, but different texture.
Yeah.
Because there's not stuffing. Cheeto, no, leave it. Not now. Not right now.
Cheeto.
Not right now, Bubba.
This one I don't prefer taking out.
I know, because this one's, but this is like really,
really
stretchy.
And it's like really good.
I would give that about like a 9 or a 10, actually.
I give
Yeah.
it maybe a 9.5.
You give it
Next
mine?
one, Chief. Give me
Yeah.
it.
Next one, baby. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you. Thank you.
This one is.
Thank you.
Oh, this one is not that.
It's the same brand, huh? Yeah.
Kind of sticky.
Right here?
Yeah.
You see? Okay.
No, we're not making a bubble.
Oh, no.
So there was a story where we made a bubble.
It was last night.
And it went everywhere. Like, seriously, I'm not just joking. Everywhere. And
Went all over me.
it went all over her heads.
And
And
my
nothing went
knees.
on me. And then she decided to
Yeah.
go back in.
Yeah. I was like, ooh, this is nice.
Give me it.
Give me the next one, baby.
Here's another pink one.
the same brand. Thank you, Cheeto.
Yes, this one doesn't have glitter in it.
But it doesn't have glitter. So satisfying.
Taking it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bubba.
This one is super stretchy. Like, it might be the stretchiest.
Oh,
This is the
super
one we made the
clear.
bubble.
Oh, bubble.
Oh, I don't want to touch it
This is
then.
the one we made the bubble.
No, it's not. We made it with the
Yeah.
blue one.
No.
Oh, blue.
Yes.
No.
Blue. Cheeto,
Yeah.
pass us the next one. I'll give that about a 9.
Yeah.
I give this one a 10. I really like it.
Cheeto,
My
next
first
one.
10. Her first.
Next one, Bubba. Thank you.
Wait, Pia, you're going too
The
fast.
next one is
I actually
Amanda.
won this at my soccer team's party, and I can't believe I won it. I really was wanting to win it, and I won it. It was with the apple ball being contest.
Let me grab the orange.
Okay, and I'll grab
There's
the
the
green.
orange one. They're not that stretchy if you stretch it like super fast like that. But
like,
if you
if you
take
stretch
your
it slow.
time, it will pretty
The green one is
stretch out.
way prettier.
Let me see.
The green
So-
one is like so much prettier.
Cheeto.
Can you see? through it? Can you see? Is it blurry for you?
Yeah.
Mine isn't.
Right?
I got
Ooh.
kind. Oh, comment down what I'm
Bubba.
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 Oh,
I'll give this about 3.
I give this like a 7. What? What? It's good.
This one's not good.
Well, then I give this one a 4.
Next one, Cheeto. Next one, baby. Thank you.
Oh, it's like it's so heavy.
Thank you, bro.
I like love this one. Like when you go like this, like
My.
Thank you, bro.
Bro.
Thank you, bro. Say bro.
Bro.
Bro. What's up, bro?
Bro.
Did you add a different something to it last night?
No.
no.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because it wasn't like this last time.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
I just went like this. Look,
Oh, no.
go like that, and
I
it
give
makes
this a
it
10.
sticky.
I give this a 10.
I give this a 10 too.
Did? Ooh, that
Yeah,
almost-
so on your The
Cheetos, last one. It might be heavy, but give you muscles.
but not least. He rolled it. He's like,
Next
I
one?
can't carry that.
I brought this slime from my house, so I will unveil it. It is super good.
This was a slime smoothie.
Yes, this was a slime smoothie. We went to to our grandma's house, right? Your grandma's
My
house.
grandma's
Yes.
house, yeah.
And then we just made a slime smoothie. When we were there, it was like super hard, but now
I threw mine away because as you can see, I have nothing in my room except my clothes in the back because I was remodeling my room and we're getting a new bed and everything. We haven't seen which one I want. So I just threw away like pounds and pounds of my slime. I had like so much, like ask her.
yeah. Subscribe if you want us to do a slime smoothie
Oh, with all my slime.
with even this slime included.
Should we mix 2 slimes right now?
Yeah. You guys want to see us mix a slime with this?
Do you guys think we should?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Here, we'll do it with the smaller
I
piece.
rate this one as like
Here, we'll do this piece.
what do you rate this?
About 8, 9.
9.
Probably, yeah. Here, we'll do it with the small piece, okay?
Oh, I didn't know you were using this one, but
So we're gonna mix.
this one
Shoot,
and this
slap
one.
it.
These
Which
are the
ones?
ones we're gonna be mixing.
Oh, that's gonna be actually pretty good.
I think it's gonna be good, but we don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I just put it in and I mixed it.
Nine.
Okay.
It looks like a cupcake.
Okay, start mixing it.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm actually like
I'm really excited
so
for this.
scared.
I'm excited for this.
I'm actually not. Whose slime is it gonna be?
We could split it in half. Okay, let me see.
Bigger.
Wait, let me see that. Dude, it got way better.
Go.
Wait, let me see.
Play
No!
first. I wanna.
You got so much.
Look, who do you think got a bigger amount?
Okay,
Look at this. Ready? Roll it up into a bowl. Okay. Show, reveal, now. Look at that. And you're saying.
Okay, let me see.
Wait,
Let me
wait,
feel it.
okay.
Feel mine. Okay, wait. Wait, let me cut it. Let me see how much fits in this. Okay. Handkerchief.
Not this good. Try it.
Boom.
Oh. You sucked, did you? Ready?
Should I mix 2 of my slimes together? Do you guys think I should? I'm asking you guys this. Do you think I should mix one of these with?
Yeah.
I know that I shouldn't do this,
Yeah.
but I'm going to anyway because
For you guys.
yeah. This with this one.
Ooh, that's gonna be a good combination.
I don't know,
Yeah,
guys.
Shiro?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
just really am hoping it's good, and I hope it doesn't change my beautiful blue color. Okay, I just mixed it, guys.
It's not gonna change your color.
I hope it doesn't.
It's not going to.
Well, I hope it doesn't. And there are beads in here.
Wait, I wanna see one of your slimes, okay? And just don't worry about it.
Don't mix it.
I'm not going to. But I'm gonna play with it.
Whoa.
What happened?
The dog, Gigi made a sound. She was, and then she was like,
Oh
oh!
my god, this is really good. Like, touch this. Oh my god.
Dude, it got way better.
It's like really good. Really good.
Wow, really got it. Like, really got it. Here's a beat. Wow, really got it. No! Dude. No.
Dude.
No! Juju, you suck.
I thought it would come undue. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you later.
Good.
Bye.